Look, there is back now. Hooding is back. Hooding is back now. Hooding is back. He was not a cat. Ah ha 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 ha. What do you? What? Wait! Did you just destroy the cat again? Yes, I did. Ah! Whoa! 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 Little boy! You stupid fucking bitch! How dare you destroy the cat? You know cat was very injured. That's it. And that means you were granted for 6567586762292929292. Yes. Go to your home right now. Wow. And stop crying like the baby. You bitches! I'm never gonna come and see you again. I destroyed the cat for 2025. Where? And don't talk back to your Cedar, you bitch. Alright, guys. Since you're back for babysitter, let's go. Stupid. She just destroyed the cat again. Me too. Come on, let's go. Maybe Dada here. Oh, that's so cool. The dad is not coming anyway. Yeah, he was so great. Good, good, good guy.